Wrapping Essentials, Unpacking the Phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem simple at first glance but holds a lot of meaning in different contexts. Wrapping essentials. Whether you're packing a gift, planning a move, or just trying to understand the phrase in various English-speaking situations, this video will unwrap all you need to know. So, let's get started. The phrase, wrapping essentials, is made up of two key words, wrapping and essentials. Wrapping refers to the action of covering or enclosing something with material, like paper or cloth. Essentials, on the other hand, are items or elements considered absolutely necessary or extremely important in a particular context. When combined, wrapping essentials refers to the basic or necessary items needed for wrapping. This could mean a variety of things depending on the situation, from gift wrapping, like paper, ribbons, and tape, to moving and packaging goods, such as bubble wrap, boxes, and labels. Wrapping essentials can be used in several contexts. Let's explore a few. Gift wrapping. In the context of gift wrapping, wrapping essentials would include wrapping paper, scissors, tape, ribbons, and gift tags. These items are considered fundamental for beautifully presenting a gift. Moving and packaging. When it comes to moving or packaging, the essentials might consist of boxes, packing tape, bubble wrap, and markers for labeling. These supplies are crucial for safely transporting items from one place to another. Daily conversations. In daily conversations, someone might use the phrase metaphorically. For example, before we start the project, let's go over the wrapping essentials. Here, it means discussing the basic steps or necessary preparations before beginning a task. Understanding the phrase, wrapping essentials, can be incredibly useful, not just in practical scenarios like gift giving or moving, but also in enhancing your English vocabulary and comprehension in different contexts. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what wrapping essentials means and how it can be applied in various situations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.